question mark can
the answer
can she play football
but again
question
I'm not from college. I just only at high school, but I study in the CCAP, Hungary, I can say this one. Taiwan. No, Taiwan support Cambodia. That report, and then can we search to the football CCAP?